Hello everyone, I'm Leslie.
Hello, I'm Sariki.
We are from Customer Experience Department. It's a great pleasure to have you here. The information we will cover today is designed to help you better understand and use DME IQ. It is the new name of its service.
Now let's get started. In this training course, we will describe DME IQ from these 5 aspects. A brief introduction to DME IQ, key features of DME IQ, how to connect the devices to DME IQ, DME IQ roadmap and how to visit DME IQ, and some frequently asked questions.
First, we will introduce the positioning of DME IQ. DME IQ is a cloud-based service tool platform designed for Huawei storage products. It provides partners with multiple tools in delivery and maintenance, remote O&M, and inventory operation scenarios. First, in terms of delivery and maintenance, DME IQ provides the planning and design tool AI designer, a site deployment quality check tool, a false diagnosis tool, and a health evaluation tool. They can be accessed on webs, that is to say, you can visit the tools on a PC builder anytime and anywhere. What's more, you can use them without connecting any device to DME IQ. Second, in terms of remote O&M, DME IQ provides the core home, remote inspection, remote log collection, remote upgrade, and remote assistance tools. To use these tools, customers need to authorize you to connect their devices to the DME IQ cloud system. Then you can remotely learn and manage the health status of devices without visiting the customer's site. The other part is inventory operation. It also requires device connection to DME IQ. In this way, if the device capacity or performance parameters exceed preset thresholds or the warranty expires, DME IQ will send notifications to you and provide related leads to help you gain insight into customer requirements in advance. This helps you communicate with customers to support follow-up sales.
Now let's move on to the second section of this course, key features of DME IQ.
As you can see, this figure shows the homepage of the DME IQ partner portal, including 3 areas: delivery and maintenance, remote O&M, and inventory operation. Among the delivery and the maintenance tools, in the past year, we focused on the site deployment function by scanning QR code on mobile phones. What's more, we now provide the site deployment quality check, health evaluation, and false diagnosis functions so that you can quickly use these tools without applying for any permissions. Among the remote O&M tools, the core home and remote maintenance functions, including log collection, inspection, upgrade, and assistance, can greatly improve your O&M efficiency. The inventory operation tool is a digital inventory operation platform used to intelligently identify sales opportunities such as capacity expansion, replacement, upgrade, and warranty renewal. Now, we will introduce the key features of DME IQ one by one.
First, let's take a look at a new function of DME IQ, site deployment by scanning QR code on mobile phones. This function supports 3 types of devices: computational storage, entry-level storage, and Fusion Cube Demo, which are the main storage models in the commercial market. The procedure includes 4 steps. Step 1. Remotely complete the LLD planning and design of a storage device on the DME IQ cloud system, including the IP address planning and obtaining the license file. Step 2. Connect the storage device to a mobile phone through a router on site. Step 3. Use the DME IQ mobile app to scan the QR code on the storage device to identify the device SN. Associate the SN with the LLD planning in Step 1 and complete the initialization of the storage device using a wizard. Step 4. Complete site deployment quality check on the DME IQ mobile app. This is the process of site deployment by scanning QR code on mobile phones. The function lowers the skill requirements for on-site engineers. The initialization configuration on the mobile phone is very simple.
Next, we will introduce the planning and the design tool used in delivery scenarios, AL Designer. AL Designer is a graphical-based planning and design tool and provides functions such as hardware configuration, device networking, and resource provisioning. You can use the tool to quickly complete product planning and design and generate ALD documents to guide frontier engineers on site delivery. Currently, AL Designer supports Huawei Enterprise Storage, Scale-out Storage, and Hyper-Converged Infrastructure or HCI products. For enterprise storage, you can export documents such as basic networking diagrams, front-end and back-end cable connection diagrams, and cabinet diagrams. You can also export CLI commands used for creating storage pools and LANs so that engineers can directly import devices to create resources. For scale-out storage, you can export an Excel deployment file and import the file to the deployment assistant on smart keys to initialize the network of each node. What's more, you can import the Excel deployment file to the device manager client to deploy devices in ALD mode. AL Designer provides 4 methods for you to create AL projects. The first one is customization. That is to say, you can customize device parameters to create an ALD project. The second one is to add disk enclosures for enterprise storage. This method is used for capacity expansion. The third one is to import a BOQ file. The last method is to create an ALD project using a template. AL Designer has hundreds of preset templates covering backup, data protection, active-active, and high availability, or HA. You can directly use the templates to create your own ALD projects. Of course, you can also tailor your own templates according to your site requirements.
Now I will show you how to use AL Designer. In this example, we use the customization method to create an LLD project. As you can see, the procedure includes 8 steps: project creation, network planning, cabinet planning, host configuration, VLAN planning, resource provisioning, mapping view, and LLD export.
Next, we will introduce a maintenance tool, health evaluation. If you need to perform a health check on the customer's device, you can use Smart Kit or the DME IQ remote inspection tool to perform inspection on the device and obtain the original inspection file package. After importing the inspection file package, you can create a device health evaluation task. DME IQ will then evaluate the device health status from different aspects, including software and hardware status, alarms, value-added service status, and capacity, and then provide optimization suggestions. In addition, the tool allows you to export health evaluation reports in Word format, which can be used for formal communication with customers.
Next, we will introduce the fault diagnosis tool used in maintenance scenarios. When a complex fault occurs on a device and logs are required to locate the fault, the tool can quickly diagnose the fault based on log analysis and locating. You can use SmartKit or the DME IQ remote log collection function to collect device logs. Import the logs to the fault diagnosis tool and select a fault symptom. Then the tool can automatically analyze the root cause of the fault and provide handling suggestions. This tool has more than 7,000 LMT expert experience rules, which covered 85% known problems, helping you quickly locate root causes, obtain handling measures, and improve customer satisfaction. What's more, the tool can analyze faults based on different fault scenarios. This improves the analyze accuracy and efficiency. After the tool analyzes the fault, you can view the root cause of the fault and rectify the fault according to the measures provided by the tools. What's more, the tool supports auxiliary manual analysis. When seeking assistance from the tech for troubleshooting, you can quickly transfer the analysis task link to transfer log package. This avoids frequency transfer of large files.
Now let's take a look at some remote O&M tools. First of all, we will figure out how the call home function works. When a false alarm is generated on a device, the security gateway proactively reports the fault to Huawei DME IQ cloud system. The cloud system then passes the alarm a content and performs some filtering operations. After that, the cloud system pushes the alarm to the partner portal. After receiving the alarm, the partner portal sends an email to the partner's O&M engineer so that the engineer can handle the alarm in time. In this way, the function can meet partners' requirements for 24/7 remote O&M, reduce manpower investment, enhance O&M efficiency, and improve customer satisfaction. CoHome also offers an intelligent alarm dashboard to help you quickly view and manage alarms. For some complex problems, partners can also create Huawei eCare service requests on the DME IQ partner portal to seek help from Huawei. The device status monitoring function intelligently analyzes device health status in terms of system, hardware configuration, capacity, and performance to identify potential risks and provide an overall score.
DME IQ also provides remote inspection and log collection functions. When a device is faulty and the engineers requires device logs to locate the fault, you usually need to contact the customer to collect the logs and send the logs to the engineer through the internet. The whole process may take a day or even longer. After the device is connected to DME IQ, the engineer can remotely deliver a log collection task in office and collect all device logs within 1 hour. This greatly reduces service costs. After obtaining logs, the partner's engineer can use the fault diagnosis tool provided by DME IQ to locate the fault. Similarly, when the partner's engineer needs to perform regular health check on the customer's device, it's usually necessary to arrange a service engineer to perform health check on the device by visiting the customer's site. By using the remote inspection function of the DME IQ, you can complete device health check within half an hour and learn the health status of device. This convenient health check can also help partners to check the health status of customers' devices more frequently and guard the health of devices with higher quality.
Next, we will talk about another two remote O&M tools, remote upgrade and remote assistance. After connecting a device to the DME IQ cloud system, you can perform remote upgrade and remote assistance on the device without the need to visit the customer's site. This greatly improves maintenance efficiency and reduces service costs. First, let's see the remote upgrade tool. This process includes 3 steps. Step 1. If there is a new product version, DME IQ automatically detects upgrade and patch installation requirements. Step 2. DME IQ notifies partners or customers of preparing an upgrade plan. Step 3. DME IQ intelligently formulates an upgrade solution and allows you to perform one-click upgrade. This process is automatic and very intelligent. It can recommend patches for some known issues and remotely push and install the patches. The other tool is remote assistance. This is a new function. With this tool, you can remotely provide assistance for your customers. To be more specific, you can remotely control and operate the device manager interface of customer storage devices after obtaining their authorization. The remote assistance process also includes 3 steps. Step 1. A partner applies for remote assistance with a customer's storage device. Step 2. The customer approves the application. Step 3. The partner remotely logs into Device Manager to offer assistance. This device access process is very quick, usually within 1 minute. In this way, you can get efficient problem handling without the need to visiting the customer's site.
Next, we will introduce the inventory operation tools provided by DME IQ. Let's focus on the intelligent fleet management function. Based on the O&M data of connected devices, DME IQ can comprehensively analyze device bottlenecks from the following perspectives: performance, capacity, life cycle, and warranty, and can intelligently recommend leads related to warranty renewal, legacy device replacement, performance expansion, and capacity expansion. This helps partners quickly identify equipment purchase and capacity expansion requirements, contact customers in advance and make plans, and promote follow-up sales.
What's more, we provide DME IQ mobile app to work together with DME IQ cloud system. It allows you to check device risks and faults anytime, anywhere, and learn about device status in real time. Its intelligent diagnosis function can display the details and the impact scope of a fault. In addition, you can check service request process and track the handling process at any time. What's more, DME IQ uses AI to intelligently predict potential device risks and diagnose faults, helping you quickly handle device risks and problems.
Next, we will introduce two methods of connecting devices to DME IQ. One method is to use a piece of independent software, DME IQ client. It is deployed on a Windows server at the customer site. The customer can add a device to the DME IQ client. Then the DME IQ client can report device alarms and O&M data to the DME IQ cloud system so that the partner can use the data on the DME IQ partner portal. The other method is to use the DME IQ function built in Device Manager of a storage device. This function directly connects the device to the DME IQ cloud system and reports device alarms and O&M data to the DME IQ cloud system so that the partner can use the data on the DME IQ partner portal. So let's make a comparison between the two modes. The DME IQ client requires the customer to provide a Windows server to deploy the client. If the customer uses the Device Manager, no additional server is required. We recommend the DME IQ client when there are a large number of devices. It can manage many devices. Device Manager can be used when there are a small number of devices. After a device is added to the DME IQ client, it can be automatically associated with DME IQ partner portal. However, Device Manager cannot associate a device with the DME IQ partner portal. Therefore, if the customer uses Device Manager to connect a device, the customer needs to contact Huawei Tech for device association.
After devices are connected to the DME IQ cloud system, customers may have security concerns. In response, we need to clarify that DME IQ can collect only device O&M data, and the transmitted data will be audited and traced. What's more, Huawei has taken many measures to ensure data security during transmission and management. The first measure is collection security. DME IQ can connect to a device only through its management network. What's more, it collects only O&M data of devices and the service data is not involved. In addition, collected data can be traced during transmission. The second measure is transmission security. DME IQ uses the HTTPS encryption channel and two-way authentication to ensure the transmission security of the internet channel. What's more, DME IQ uses the SMTP encryption channel and the digital envelope technology to ensure the transmission security of the email channel. The last one is management security. We take some action to ensure data storage and access security after device O&M logs are transmitted to DME IQ. For example, deploying DME IQ in a Huawei cloud zone and using Huawei situational awareness system AES 256 advanced encryption algorithm and permission management.
Now let's see the roadmap of DME IQ and how to visit DME IQ. Here shows the roadmap of DME IQ. In the first half of 2024, we designed three key function types. The first is about easy delivery. DME IQ now provides more intelligent planning and design and supports zero-touch full-stack delivery. The second is about easy management. DME IQ enhanced its intelligent QNN function. What's more, you can use DME IQ to perform remote assistance on entry-level storage. The last is about easy sales. DME IQ now can recommend backup and disaster recovery leads. It also has an inventory dashboard and allows you to register sales leads. In the second half, we will focus on two function types. The first is about easy management. We plan to support remote assistance and upgrade for Fusion Cube, a hyper-converged infrastructure. This can free you from site O&M. DME IQ also supports customized southbound integration standards. This enables you to quickly interconnect with peer vendor servers and storage devices. The other is about easy sales. We will build inventory operation process for partners. The lower part shows how to visit the DME IQ Partner Portal. You can click this link and log in.
The final part is some FAQs. In this part, we list some frequently asked questions and their answers.
Question 1. How do I apply for the permission to access the DME IQ Partner Portal? In this case, you can send a permission application email to dmeiq@huawei.com to apply for the permission according to the email template in the DME IQ user guide for partners. Question 2. What are the differences between health evaluation on DME IQ and inspection on SmartKit? Health evaluation on DME IQ is an advanced version of the inspection function on SmartKit. The former use the inspection package and log package data collected on SmartKit and various cloud-based analysis rules to comprehensively evaluate device health. In addition, a health evaluation report in Word format can be exported for formal communication with customers. Question 3. Can I use DME IQ when no device is connected to it? Yes, the LL Designer health evaluation and fault diagnosis functions on DME IQ can be used even when no device is connected. However, you are advised to connect devices to use more powerful remote O&M features such as call home, remote inspection, and remote log collection.
Thank you for your time. We hope today's information will help you in your daily work. In the end, we prepare a quiz for you, including 4 questions. Remember, the first person to give the correct answer will win a prize. So, let's go. The first question is for you to choose one or more options. DME IQ now has a new function, site deployment by scanning QR code on mobile phones. Which of the following storage products are supported by the function? Here are 4 options. A. Computational storage. B. Ocean Store Pacific. C. Entry-level storage. And D. Fusion Cube Demo. Please type your answer. Okay, the right answer is A, C, D. B. Ocean Store Pacific is not supported by this function. Question 2 is also for you to choose one or more options. Which of the following are the remote O&M functions provided by DME IQ? A. Health evaluation. B. Call home. C. Remote inspection. And D. Remote assistance. So what is your answer? Okay, the right answer is B, C, D. A, health evaluation is not an O&M function, is a delivery and maintenance function. Question 3, it is a true or false question. DME IQ supports 2 device access modes. If there are a small number of devices, the DME IQ client is recommended. So, is it true or false? Okay, the right answer is false. In the question, it says if there are a small number of devices, not a large. So in this case, we recommend you can use the device manager of storage to connect the device to device DMIQ. But if there are a large number of devices, we recommend you use the DMIQ client. So the answer is false. The last question is also a true or false question. You can use the remote inspection of DME IQ when no device is connected. True or false? Okay, the answer of the last question is also false. As I have mentioned, you should connect your device to use the remote inspection of DMIQ, but DMIQ also provides some functions. You can use these functions without connecting your device to the DMIQ, for example, a designer and so on. That's all for this DMIQ training course. Thank you.
Bye bye. See you next time.